Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the construction of the Pinnacle. The Pinnacle is 4 high-rise towers in Montego Bay, Jamaica. Now look at the view. Right there is a construction site and they'll be building 4 towers, 28 floors each, making them the tallest buildings in Jamaica and the tallest buildings in the Caribbean. There you can see the base for one of the 4 towers. Phase 1 is going to be 2 towers, and then phase 2 will be the additional 2 towers. That's the main road right there, and that is the Montego Bay Reserve that you're looking at. This is going to be these apartments are going to have a spectacular view. Now, there's one word to describe the Pinnacle: luxury. Everything about these units are luxury. From the concierge service to the layout of the apartments, this is for people who enjoy luxury. Now, overlooking the stunning Montego Bay Marine Reserve, the private Pinnacle community is home to 4 elegant apartment towers, villas, sports and leisure facilities, shopping, restaurants, and a private residence club. It will set a new standard for Jamaica. It will simply be the best address in town. That is how they describe it on their website. And look at the view. This is truly a stunning marine reserve. When these buildings are finished, it definitely will be something special. Now, I've always been amazed at how they build these massive buildings on such a small lot of land. 4 towers, 28 floors each, are going to be built here. The same way the Ascent, which is 27 floors, is going to be built on a small piece of land. The Rogers, 20 floors. But you really have to give credit to the engineers and the architects who definitely know what they're doing. All right, so the 4 towers they're building are all named after birds. You have the Swallowtail, which is going to be a residential tower, the Canary, which is going to be a timeshare, the Hummingbird, which is going to be a residential tower, and the Phoenix, which is going to be a hotel. We will keep you guys updated on this project, and we will give you update videos every 2 weeks. So remember to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Now these buildings are special because they are the tallest buildings in Jamaica, or they will be. So this is what you call a mega development in Jamaica. And it's ideally located in Montego Bay. Probably 2 minutes from, or 5 minutes from the airport, 2 minutes from Fairview, which is a larger shopping center in Jamaica, and ideally located on the Bogue Road, which is a 4-lane dual carriageway. So getting there, not a problem. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour, and remember to leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think. Alright guys, have a good day.